Digital Products Mastery, Creating and Selling Ebooks and Printables. Welcome to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving into the world of digital products, exploring the exciting realm of creating and selling items like ebooks and printables. In this video, we'll cover the process from creation to sales. If you're ready to turn your ideas into digital products, stay tuned. Let's get started. Part 1. Choosing your digital product. First things first, let's explore the types of digital products you can create. 1. Ebooks. Compile your knowledge or stories into an ebook format. This can be a guide, a novel, or even a collection of your best blog posts. 2. Printables. Create downloadable printables like planners, checklists, or art prints. These are highly versatile and in demand. Part 2. Creating your digital product. Now, let's talk about bringing your digital product to life. 1. Content creation. Write or design your content using tools like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Canva, or Adobe Creative Suite. 2. Formatting. Ensure your digital product is properly formatted for easy consumption. Consider the layout, fonts, and overall design. Part 3. Setting up your sales platform. Now that your digital product is ready, let's discuss how to sell it. 1. Choose a sales platform. Decide where you want to sell your product. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Stan, or even your website are popular choices. 2. Create a sales page. Craft a compelling sales page that highlights the benefits of your digital product. Include engaging visuals and persuasive copy. 3. Pricing. Determine a fair and competitive price for your digital product. Consider your time and effort in the creation process. Part 4. Marketing your digital product. The key to successful sales is effective marketing. Here's how. 1. Social media promotion. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Twitter to showcase snippets of your digital product and drive traffic to your sales page. 2. Email marketing. Build an email list and use it to share exclusive promotions, sneak peeks, and updates about your digital product. 3. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or fellow creators to broaden your reach. They can help promote your digital product to their audience. Part 5. Post-sale engagement. Once your digital product is out in the world, ensure continued success. 1. Customer support. Provide excellent customer support to address any inquiries or concerns promptly. 2. Gather feedback. Encourage customers to leave reviews or provide feedback. This not only helps you improve but also builds credibility for future buyers. And there you have it. From creation to sales and beyond, these steps can guide you on your journey to creating and selling digital products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of online entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in the realm of digital products.